The Zimbabwe Youth Minister pleads with his boss, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, to fix hospitals after visiting a relative and witnessing firsthand the sorry state of public health care in Zimbabwe. Sanamira mashoko buda panapa tinoona kuti aiwa vana machakaire voshamisika aiwa the current state iri kumuzvipatara uya panapa achida immediate action from mutungamiri wenyika kuti vaadress this issue. Sanamira mashoko mudanyorwa panapa nodibo subscribe or like otombepela kuti mda mashoko machakira mudanyora achiti I visited one of our public health institutions this morning to see a relative and left deeply concerned by the conditions I witnessed. What I saw was deeply moving, a clear indication that many of our people are facing serious challenges. The growing public outcry over our healthcare system is not an exaggeration. It reflects the difficult experiences of many citizens. As your appointee and one whom you have tasked to speak for the young people of our great nation, I feel a solemn responsibility to speak openly. Sometimes, in our desire to present progress, we may unintentionally overlook important realities on the ground. Your Excellency, you have earned the admiration of this nation for your compassion, humility, and tireless dedication to the welfare of ordinary citizens under your leadership. Many have found renewed hope. It is because of this trust in your care for the people that I respectfully plead with you. Please find time from your busy schedule to visit these institutions yourself. There is no substitute for seeing, listening, and understanding firsthand what our citizens are going through. Tsamba Inotyisa kumutungamiri wenyika awana machakaira achikumbira kuti mutungamiri wenyika anoona the current state iriko muzvipatara. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vanhu vari kuchipota vachiti isu patambovoisa out titaura pamusoro pezviitiko izvi hama dzedu dzichifamba makanyarara one. Now just because your relatives they are now being affected, you are now taking action. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell